Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Super excited for this video. Such a special video for me. I did my husband's nails and you guys picked the color hot pink and he let me do it. Why'd you let me do it, babe?
Because real men wear pink.
Yeah. So he's going to be doing the voiceover with me today. So not only are you guys going to get to watch me do his nails, you're going to hear me talking with him and you guys will be able to say hi to him as well. He's very involved with my channel, so if you guys have anything to comment about, you can leave it down below and he'll definitely see it. Really quick, I do want to remind you guys to hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss out when I upload a video. So as always, I started off by pushing back his cuticles, and now I'm just taking a tapered cuticle bit and going down the left side of his nail bed to remove the excess cuticle, and then once I've gotten that done on all the nails, I flip it into reverse and go down the right side of his nails. What does it feel like when I do this?
It tickles.
It tickles?
Yeah.
Apparently it tickles. I don't think he has ever had a manicure with an e-file. I know he had a manicure once, maybe, what, like 13 years ago or something?
14, 15 years ago.
Right.
Before we met.
And it was nothing like this, right?
No, it was one of those little Asian ladies that...
All the shops that, like,
right.
They just have this whole nail salon field.
Yeah, and it was not very comfortable either.
Yeah. They do good work, though. They do good work. They just, most of the time, don't specialize.
It was really fast and, like, just... I don't know.
I wasn't really fast. How dare you?
No.
I wasn't? He's shushing me on my own channel. He's shushing me, guys.
You were fast. I'm saying they were, like, fast and rough and just not...
Oh.
It wasn't a good experience.
Fast and rough.
Didn't feel good. Didn't feel nice and gentle like you.
I was nice and gentle?
Always.
Oh, that's good. So,
She's not paying me to say this either.
he gets 0% from the AdSense on this video. 0, right?
Right.
Yeah.
I'm lucky if I get allowance.
Oh, this is literally how we are all the time, guys. We just are always just laughing. It's hilarious. Right now, I'm just using my file to just shape the free edges of his nails and try to get them all looking similar. This little pinky was very hard because he's not a nail biter, he's a nail picker. Like, he picks at his nails. And I'm going to insert some pictures at the end of the video for you guys to see what these nails look like after a week. But I think you guys might be surprised with how they looked. So now that I have most of the prep done and they're shaped the way I need them to be, I'm just using a fine grit zebra sanding band to remove the shine off of his natural nail bed. And this manicure today will be gel polish, and then I do add some glitter onto a couple nails as well. We went with the thumb and middle finger. It's so funny too because we started this out going, okay, we're just gonna do one hand regular manicure and one hand with the gel polish, but he ended up letting me do both hands.
I felt so pretty.
Yeah. He kept saying that. Look how pretty I am.
It matched my lipstick.
Oh my goodness. You're silly. This is sped up, so I know this looks like I'm going crazy aggressive on his nails, but I promise I wasn't. Was I?
No, she wasn't going crack monkey on me.
Oh, jeez Louise. So I'm just removing all of the dust and debris, and then I'm going to use primer. Yes, I did use primer, even though it wasn't really necessary, since I knew we were going to be taking this off after a week, but I wanted to take the same steps that I would if this was a real gel polish manicure for someone who wanted to wear them more than a week. And if you don't use primer, it is very easy for the nails to kind of just like pop off or peel off. Not really pop off. They don't pop off when it's gel polish like this. It peels off or it can chip. So I went in with the primer, and then now I'm just using the base coat. And I do go in with a very dry brush for the base coat. You don't need much to get it on there, and it's actually better to use less. You get better adhesion. So now we've got the hot pink gel polish. Now when I go in with the gel polish, I do remove most of the polish. I remove it completely from one side of the brush, and then I remove it halfway on the other side. Once I have the proper amount on my brush, I start by tapping it kind of like halfway down the nail bed. Then I push it back closer to the cuticle. Since these are so short from him picking at them, on bitten nails or any time that this happens, it's easier to turn the brush around and push towards that free edge. It will keep it from going onto the skin too much, but it will also cap that free edge. It does need to be capped in order for it to have the retention and longevity in the wear time. So just a little tip, and I hope it's helpful for some of you guys. Now this was using my brand new camera stand that this guy bought for me. So my angles weren't quite right in this video, but I did figure it out. And so my next video that I'll be posting will have a much better angle. Okay, so I went in with 2 coats of that gel polish on all the other nails, but on the middle finger and the thumb, I knew I wasn't going to need the opacity because I'm just topping it with glitter. So I'm just using this glitter by Model 1s. Honestly, the primer, the base, the top coat, the glitter, almost everything in this video was by Model 1s. The gel polish itself, the hot pink color, that's by the brand Mifa, which is a sister company to Model 1s. So now I'm just going to go in with that second layer on all the other nails that don't have any glitter to get that nice opaque coverage. Better to do 2 or 3 thin layers rather than 1 thick layer, because if it's too thick it won't cure properly. And then I'm just using my cleanup brush to remove any off of the skin. Now when we first were doing these, we planned on removing the polish right after the video was over, but the video, I went to remove it and he said, no, let me just keep it on. Why do you want me to keep it on? Or why did you want me to let you keep it on?
Because I felt so pretty. No, in all seriousness, because I wanted people to see what your work would look like after a week on an active man.
Yeah, he is active and he works on a computer, so he's typing all day long. And if any of you guys work on computers, you know how hard that can be on your nails. So he decided to wear it for a week so that we could see how they held up, which you guys will see at the end of the video. So I went over just the plain gel polish nails with my favorite matte top coat by Not Polish. And then on the glitter nails, I am going to tap on some loose glitter by Charlie's Nail Art. And in order to do that, I need something for it to stick to. So I went in with a base coat on those 2 nails. And then I'm just taking the loose glitter on a brush, tapping it on, and then brushing it off in the glitter press method. Then we'll go in with the top coat on these as well. And I will leave that as a glossy top coat for these ones. So when it comes to glitter nails or anything that has a textured nail art, I like to top coat twice. The first one helps to start the smoothing process, but it's really the second layer that makes it perfectly smooth. And he actually loved the feel of these nails so much that he had me top coat his nails after we removed this, just so he could have that feeling. What did it feel like that you loved so much?
It's smooth like eggs. They're very nice.
Like eggs. I don't know where he gets that.
They're very smooth. They feel very nice. I can't stop playing with it.
Oh my goodness. He's never going to have me stop his manicures at this point. He's just gonna always be like, oh my gosh, I need a new top coat. Give me a new manicure.
That's right.
So when I am working and there is any dead tissue up in the eponychium, or if there's any hangnails, I wait to remove that until afterward. And I wait because if I remove it first and then the file hits it when I'm like buffing the nails or anything like that, it can make it pretty easy to make bleed. So I leave it kind of as a protective layer, and then after I'm done, I remove it, and that works out really well. You guys keep seeing my glasses poking in from the side because, like I said, my angles were just not right with this camera stand yet, but I got the hang of it. Did this hurt when I was taking off that dead skin?
Not a bit.
No?
No.
What did it feel like?
Like you were cutting stuff off me.
Well, that would hurt.
Well, it didn't hurt though. I don't know.
Oh, he doesn't know what he's
saying. How do I explain it?
I don't know.
I don't know. It didn't hurt. I can tell you that.
That's good. It shouldn't hurt, so that's good.
I didn't even really feel it. So I guess I don't know. You said how did it feel? Like nothing.
Oh, perfect. Perfect. So now that has all been removed, I am just cleansing the nails one more time with alcohol, and then I'm going to apply cuticle oil and we will be done. After I apply cuticle oil with matte nails, I do wipe over just the nail itself with some alcohol just to remove the oil, because otherwise it's just going to be shiny and it's supposed to be matte. So I always cleanse that off. But did it feel good when I put on the cuticle oil?
It did.
I always love that part too. I don't know. It's so moisturizing.
It was like a nice little massage.
Massage for your fingertips.
Right. Just the tip.
Oh my goodness. So this is just when I'm cleansing off the nails, just to remove that cuticle oil from the surface. But that is basically it, guys. Make sure you guys all let me know what you think down below. This is the finished set. And I do want to thank my wonderful husband for being a good sport, letting me do a pink manicure, which he wore in public for an entire week. Everyone should just give a little round of applause for that. Really quick, I just was showing you guys here these rings that we have that are matching. We're so proud of them. Our last name is King, so mine says on the inside his queen, and his says on the inside her king, and I just love it. I'll insert some pictures for you guys to see how well this set held up after a week. They were basically the same, so yeah, it was pretty amazing. That's it, guys. Let me know what you think down below. As always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or requests for different sets, let me know down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Be sure to hit like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye!
Bye.